Hey everyone, this is Maria from the Sewing Room channel. I was recently at Joann's looking at the aisle where they have all of the different baby nursery fabrics. As some of you may or may not know, I do have a baby due this October. Me, my husband, and my family, of course, are extremely excited. So I thought it would be fun to take you shopping with me while I looked at some of the nursery fabrics. There were a ton of adorable options. It was hard not to go ahead and purchase everything that I saw. But ton of new options, great cotton fabric options, some that were good for baby blankets. Now I am having a boy, but I did look at some of the fabrics that are, with the pinks and things like that. Love those stars and moons. There are just so many adorable baby fabric options if you have a baby due yourself or know someone that has a baby that's due. My mom has a ton of great tutorials on baby projects. So if you're interested in that, I'll link those videos below for you in the about section of this video. So you could definitely check out some of those tutorials and use some of the current fabrics that they have at Joann's. Our nursery that we have has a jungle theme, and we did recently purchase some of those jungle fabrics. How adorable are these little koalas? Dream big, little one. Lots of different animals. Got bunny rabbits, little teddy bears. Here's some of the jungle fabrics. How cute are those elephants? It's great for a baby blanket. We purchased something similar to that, only it's the jungle themed option, but I love the different textures on that fabric. Here's another one. Yellows and grays. It's great gender neutral option if you're unsure of the sex of the baby, if that's not being revealed, or if you're keeping it a surprise for yourself. You could always go with something like that so that you have some things pre-made and ready for when baby arrives. I thought that arrow fabric was really neat. They had a pretty decent amount of fabrics that were on sale. I think everything in this aisle was on type of some sort of discount. Love the elephants, the whales. My friend also has a baby that's due soon, and she's doing a whole under the sea theme in their nursery. Really cool space option if someone's doing that type of theme in their nursery. Love those jungle fabrics. Now, not necessarily nursery fabric, but I did want to just quickly show you some of the fleece fabric options that they had. These are great for soft blankets for baby or for moms to be. You could do maybe like a blanket for her if you're also doing a blanket for baby. My mom has a great tutorial on a no-sew fleece blanket that I can also link below. Well, this is the end of this shopping trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Let us know in the comments below if you would like to see more shopping videos. Thanks for watching and happy sewing!